Welcome to the decisionMe raDAR application. raDAR reduces risks in decision-making by leveraging AI, analytics, and reasoning. Clarity replaces uncertainty, and sound decisions become second nature. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create and fully define multiple purpose-driven scenarios with guidance from your AI assistant, so you can explore all your options clearly and lay the foundation for confident, informed decisions. When it comes to making high-stakes decisions, strong scenarios are your secret weapon. It all begins with grounding your solutions in real possibilities. Scenarios that reflect what could actually happen, not just what you hope for. Next, make every scenario measurable. Clarity comes from facts, data, and details, not assumptions. When your options are defined and documented, your confidence grows. Finally, realistic scenarios drive follow-through. Grounded plans translate into real-world execution. No spinning wheels, no second guessing. Just a clear path to results. Build scenarios that do more than inform, they empower. Smarter decisions start here. And with decisionMe raDAR, they happen faster, safer, and leaner. Strong decisions start with strong scenarios. Each one should be realistic, defined, and ready to compete. Define the universe of solutions. These are your alternatives. Use AI support to surface every credible path, bold, practical, and grounded in your success goals. Compare fairly across shared criteria. Same rules, less bias, better judgment. Standardized scoring gives you clarity, consistency, and confidence. There can only be one. Analytics reveal the clear winner. With structured insight, your best fit scenario rises to the top, ready for action. You've put in the work, shaping your problem, defining your criteria, and weighting each one to reflect what matters most to you. Now it's time to build scenarios, the real viable options that embody your solution. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to generate thoughtful, well-structured scenarios that align with your goals and prepare you for confident, data-driven decision-making. Let's talk scenarios. A scenario is one possible solution to your problem. It's a complete answer to your decision statement, something you could choose and follow through on. We offer two ways to create scenarios. You can build them manually, entering your own ideas, details, and assumptions based on what you already know. Or you can use our AI-assisted option, which helps you generate a range of realistic, creative scenarios by suggesting possibilities you might not have considered. You'll work with two types of scenarios, base and test. A base scenario is your known or default option. It's something familiar, with little uncertainty, often used as a comparison baseline. For example, doing nothing or sticking with your current situation. A test scenario, on the other hand, is a new or uncertain option you're considering. It includes more unknowns, so you define it using a range of possible outcomes. Test scenarios allow you to weigh them against your base to see which option offers the best overall fit. Use the toggle control to set the scenario type. Don't worry, you can switch back and forth anytime. This choice affects how your final report is presented. To add a manual scenario, click the Add Scenario button. This creates a new scenario according to your type toggle. Select the I button to open the scenario editor. Name your scenario. Use the power of your AI assistant to help fully describe the option. Repeat the same process to generate helpful content for notes, constraints, and risks. Each step brings more clarity. Hit Done to save, and you created your first scenario. Let's try using the AI assistant instead. Click the AI assistant button, and raDAR will generate a set of relevant scenarios for you. Now it's time to make them your own. Start by selecting the first base scenario. Rename it to match your idea. Then delete the existing description and use the AI assistant to help define your new customized scenario. Once it looks right, hit Done to save your changes. Let's quickly delete the other base scenario to keep things clean. Then add the two remaining scenarios you want to explore. For the last one, if you have a specific contractor in mind, use the AI assistant to gather details, like experience, pricing, or availability, so you can build a well-informed scenario around that option. Remember, you can easily switch a scenario from base to test or vice versa by using the toggle button at the bottom of the scenario editor. This lets you quickly reclassify scenarios as your thinking evolves. and ensures they're organized correctly in your final report. Congratulations! You've just learned how to create strong, well-defined scenarios, whether manually or with help from your AI assistant. You explored how to set base and test types, edit details, and use data to describe real, thoughtful options. You now have a solid foundation for comparison. Great work! You're ready for the final step, scoring your scenarios against your criteria. Let's move forward with confidence. Next, in the Developing Scenarios tutorial video, you'll learn how to develop your scenarios, the potential solutions you'll measure against your criteria to make the best choice. No matter where you are in the process, decisionMe is here to help you move forward with confidence, with clarity, and with peace of mind.